MPTC, happy 5th anniversary MPTC from UK. Wish you all the best for the next 5 years. And again, congratulations for the new graduates. All the best for your future, guys. You did it. And my warm wishes for Christmas to all of you. Bye. God bless MPTC.
5 years, 60 months, 260 weeks. Very happy 5th anniversary to MPTCs. I hope this anniversary is filled of happy memories, and may you make many more to treasure for a lifetime. And a big congratulations to the director founder of MPTCs and all of MPTC's teams. Keep up the great work and innovations, and cheers to this special day.
Hi MPTC family, my name is Sarah and I'm an MPTC alumni. I graduated last year from the Eagle cohort. I'm so delighted today because it's been already 5 years that MPTC is committed to provide quality education to Malagasy people, and we are celebrating it all together today. Happy 5th anniversary MPTC, and may God continue to bless you and guide you through your mission fulfillment.
On the occasion of your 5th anniversary, congratulations to everyone at MPTC from eFlex Training. Enjoy your celebration. Cheers.
Hey, Team MPTC. My name is Romeo Mabasa. I'm the Business Development Manager for LanguageCert. And more importantly, we have been partners and you guys are doing an amazing job. First off, happy anniversary. I know that you are turning 5 and it's really a milestone. You know, as the people, we've been through a lot. But I find that we don't celebrate each other enough. So for that, I just want you to clap your hands because you've come far and you are still standing. You know, our partnership is so important to us, and that, you know, we want to do everything in our power to support you. And, you know, we've got some amazing plans for 2022, including finally me coming down to Madagascar. Let's keep going, and happy anniversary. Enjoy the festivities, and I will see you soon.
Hi, this is Phil from TEFL UK. Greetings from a rather rainy and cold Manchester. So I just wanted to wish everybody at MPTC a very happy 5th anniversary. Your organisation has been fantastic for us, and you know, it's clear that your passion for education shines through in all the projects that we have undertaken together. So yeah, I just wanted to really thank you for being such a great partner for TEFL UK. Our students have been supported by yourselves in all of the teaching that they've undertaken, and we're really grateful to be working together with you, and we also look forward to working with you through 2022 and beyond, you know, going forward. So very big thank you, a very big congratulations, and a very happy 5th anniversary to MPTC from all of us here at TEFL UK. Thank you, take care.
Greetings and congratulations on your 5th anniversary, everybody involved with MPTC. Emil, the team, everybody. You've had a great 5 years, and I'm sure the next 5 will be equally as good, if not better. I'm calling you from Christchurch, the south coast of England. You can probably tell it's a little bit chilly here. I have my scarf and my jacket on. It's a winter's day. The sun is shining, and the ancient buildings are looking really rather good. I've been talking to Emil about the possibility of him bringing a group of students across to our summer camp next July, and it would be tremendous if that becomes possible. The students would improve their English, get to meet others from all around the world, have a wonderful cultural experience that they'll remember for the rest of their lives. Let's hope it's possible, but there's so much uncertainty in the world at the moment, we can be sure of nothing. But in any case, whatever happens, I send my greetings and my congratulations, and ask God to bless you all on this special occasion.